Now Foods, Organic Essential Oils, Lemongrass, 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters. Product Overview Description. Certified organic and 100% pure USDA organic Simbapagan Flexuous is certified organic by high purity tested, quality assured. Aroma, fresh, grassy lemon. Attributes, purifying, stimulating, cleansing. Extraction method, steam distilled from plants' leaves. Spring freshening blend, add 10 drops of organic lemongrass oil, 5 drops of organic lemon oil and 1 drop of organic eucalyptus oil to a diffuser and enjoy. Suggested use. For aromatherapy use. For all other uses, carefully dilute with a carrier oil such as jojoba, grapeseed, olive, or almond oil prior to use. Please consult an essential oil book or other professional reference source for suggested dilution ratios. Other ingredients. Organic lemongrass oil, 100% pure. Warnings. National essential oils are highly concentrated and should be used with care. Caution, keep out of reach of children. Avoid contact with eyes. If pregnant or nursing, consult your healthcare practitioner before using. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.